If you're a Facebook user, I'm sure you've noticed people posting about Black Balloon Day and how long they have been clean. This day to recognize addiction came from a woman in Peabody, Massachusetts.
It was the idea of a woman named Lauren Hurley, and she's from Peabody. She lost her brother-in-law, Greg, a year ago today to an overdose. And it was devastating to her, and, she wanted to, again, help promote awareness. So she came up with this idea of what if everybody that was affected by addiction flew a black balloon today.
Leonard has made it her mission to spread awareness for addiction.
Since I lost my son in December of 2014, I've kind of made it my purpose to educate people, bring awareness to the issue of addiction, and to advocate for change in the way addicts are viewed and treated.
The black balloon represents a lot of different things relating to addiction.
It represents death, and that's what happens. If these people don't get help, if addicts don't get the proper treatment and help, it results in an overdose, which oftentimes results in death.
Addiction is a growing epidemic, and it is affecting more than just those addicted.
This is happening to everybody, to family, sons, daughters, brothers, sisters, neighbors, husbands, wives. It knows no boundaries. Addiction knows no boundaries.
This was the first Black Balloon Day, but many people shared their stories through social media all over the country.
Each year this will get not bigger because there are more people dying, but that the people who have lost someone, that it will grow to be possibly nationwide as opposed to just something local, so that there'll be more and more awareness of the problem.
Leonard hopes by being a part of Black Balloon Day, she is making people more aware of this disease.
Hopefully we can reduce the stigma and get people the proper treatment. It's a disease, and hopefully we can get people to realize that, and we can change the way things happen with them.